you're experiencing connection errors in EAFC25, there are several steps you can take to improve your situation. Follow this guide to troubleshoot and enhance your connection. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can test your speed using an online speed test tool. If your connection is slow, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Restart your console or PC. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve connection issues. Turn off your console or PC completely, wait for a few moments, and then turn it back on. This can refresh your network settings and help establish a better connection. Step 3. Use a wired connection. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, switch to a wired Ethernet connection. Wired connections are generally more stable and faster than wireless ones, reducing the chances of connection errors during gameplay. Step 4. Adjust network settings. Access your router's settings and ensure that your network is optimized for gaming. Enable quality of service (QoS) settings if available, and prioritize gaming traffic. Additionally, consider changing your DNS settings to faster public DNS like Google DNS 8.8, 8.8, and 8.84.4. Step 5. Check EA server status. Before troubleshooting further, check the EA server status to see if there are any ongoing issues or maintenance. You can visit the EA website or follow their social media channels for updates. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. By following these steps, you should be able to improve your connection and enjoy a smoother gaming experience in EAFC25. If issues persist, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.